What's up, traders? Going 4 for 5. The one loser was not a loser, it was break even. Let's get to it.
All right, as always, if you want to watch these, just head on over to Twitch. Feel free to find those down there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We're going to start with our first trade here on CNCE. This one was frustrating. Absolutely frustrating. Previous resistance right there at the whole dollar. Poked up through. Got a start up around 430. And I was just very frustrated that we didn't get this ad up through 450. But right as it made this drop, we had orders out here at 404, and it got to 405. We did lower it at that point, so it would have just missed us anyway. But missed us, goes all the way back up to the highs, comes back down, and was really looking for it to get down through 4. Didn't want to, started the bounce, and we took it off break even, only to essentially top tick that thing, and it decided to go even lower. So absolutely a bit frustrated on the CNCE trade because it ended up being break even. It was a little bit of an annoying way to start the day off. ALZN, the range on this wasn't that great. Could have took more share size, but I started it the way that I did, anticipating a move up through 250. Didn't happen. Just took it off on a little bit of a drop, just a small little scalp there. Next trade was on LAC. This was our biggest trade of the day. This one was also very, very annoying. I was very happy with the entry, 3250. Well, I think it was a little under 3249. It did start to bounce there, but then it shot up through 33. And as it did, so last night I had a talk with myself about going 1-2 instead of 1-1. And as this was happening, I was like, this is the time. This is the time. I got to go to 2. So you can see me hover over my montage in the live trade, looking to change it from 25 to 50 so I can do 1-2. And then I'm like, nah, you know what? Just in case this wants to go crazy, I'm going to just leave it at 1-1. By the time I came down to click the button, just that quick thought process that I went through of going from 1 to 2 back to 1, that quick it came back down. And it shot all the way back down, a little bit below our average, and started to come back up. When it started to come back up, we got to add. And keep in mind, the second ad was a little bit annoying. Thought I hit it on the north side of 33, got filled under. So when it came down and gave us the fills that it did, I was more than happy to take it because we pretty much botched this trade and it still paid out. So can't complain there. ANY, I was actually cooking lunch. The guys on Discord, I heard it beeping in my ear, but then they started talking about it. So then I came in, and thankfully I did because we got a nice 7 pop previous resistance right up to 720. You can't write this any better. Got in 719, which actually when I got in, the high was 720. So we topped it, but then it came down just a little bit, tried to go up higher, got the 723 and got rejected, scaled out. And that was a decent one there. And then one last trade was on YTEN, which was a little bit later. And again, pretty standard here. Previous resistance, hop up through a whole dollar. This thing actually went a little bit crazy. We went a little bit on the smaller side as well, 25 shares. It actually tried to go up and halt. This one was actually pretty interesting because we got in and it immediately tried to go up into a halt like right after we started it. It jiggled at the 850, got in, went immediately up into that halt area, but then it faked. It tried to halt, did not. Once I realized it wasn't halting, I added, and then we scaled out on the way down. So this could have been a better trade. I really wanted to maybe hold this below 8, but was perfectly happy with just taking it there. So that's all I got for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Appreciate the support. If you have any questions, comments, leave those down below. Find me in the Discord, find me on Twitter. And see you guys tomorrow morning.